Vacuum Desk II Sputter and Etch Chamber. Now we've had this pumping down for a few minutes now, and the ultimate pressure is somewhere in a low millitorr range. Right now we're around 20 millitorr. So it's just evacuating the chamber right now. Just to point out, there is a switch on the side here, on-off switch, and either you're pumping or by turning the switch off you're venting. So what I'll do is I'll vent the chamber up so we can take a look at the inside. Give it a few seconds. Just to point out too, there is a main power switch in the back. This runs off 110 volts. There's a main switch back here. So that will need to be on, and then you can turn your switch on the right hand side here to evacuate it. So let's open up the chamber here. You see that? That's our target in there. We have an aluminum target for demonstration purposes. Here's our bell jar. Some type of gasket sticks. And then here's your table and your shutter. To move the shutter, you can move this knob up top here with the #1 label on it. And just to show you what will happen is this shutter will split open as you hit the sidewall, so you have full access to your material you want to either etch or sputter onto. And then when you come back in this direction, it'll close, and you can reposition it over top. And here's your table here. Put your samples on. And as you can see, it has a wire here to allow you to do etching capability on that. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put it all back together, and then we'll go ahead and sputter and etch. Okay, again, you turn the switch on the right hand side here on, and it'll begin to evacuate. While waiting for it to evacuate, here's your gauge here. You do have two options of doing time mode or manual mode. I'll go through that demonstration. And then you have your etch and sputter capabilities for your process. So we'll let this pump down again to the low millitorr range. We'll come back and I'll do an etch and a sputter. Okay, we pump down to our low millitorr range. To set your pressure, you use this valve here. It's a needle valve. And I'll go ahead and do the etch first. So by hitting the process, it'll set your gas flow and pressure inside your chamber. I'll wait for that to stabilize. I set it for 200. Now again, we have a manual and a time. So what I'll do is I'll do use the manual start and stop here for our etch, and then I'll use the time for our sputter. So once we have our gas flow, we can go ahead and hit start. And you can see the timer counts up. We have a plasma. And to adjust your milliamps to your plasma, you can current to the plasma, you can use your knob here for increase. You see it gets a little bit brighter. And you can decrease it. So as you can see, we're counting up. And at any time you can go ahead and open your shutter. So that's our etch capability. Bring that back. And if need be, let's bring this down just for etch. We'll be at 100. So you can see that this will adjust your pressure. I'll go ahead and hit stop. Alright, and here I have my timer set, preset time to 30 seconds. I'll go ahead and hit start here. You see up in there, we'll go ahead and open the shutter. Shut the light off real quick. see there, it shut off the power for the plasma, sputter plasma, and the gas flow is still flowing. So what we'll do here is we'll hit off. That'll shut the gas valve off. We are using argon for this demonstration. There's a bottle of argon right here. And we'll let it pump back down, and then we'll go ahead and hit our switch on the right hand side, and that'll allow it to vent up. Open the chamber. So that's our demonstration.